Hello, this is John Bagwell, and welcome to today's training, Keyword Software Programs. You're going to need at least one good keyword software program. I like Semrush, the very first one on the list. It's the best. It has the biggest database also. You could try it for 7 days for free, then it's $9.99.95 per month. Then there's Ahrefs, which is $7 for 7 days. Then it's $99 per month. These are the best in the world. KW Finder is free, and then it's $29.90 a month. I don't know how long it's free, but it has limitations. Longtail Pro, I used it in the past, but now it's so funky, I can't recommend it at all. It forces you into an annual billing. It wants you to buy all sorts of training. It's basically a sales hustle now. SE Cockpit, I've never tried it. It's $25 per month. I can't really tell you much. Ubersuggest, it's free, but it limits you to how much you can view. And if you want the full analysis, then it's $29 per month. Answer the Public, it's free. I believe they have a pro account for $8, but there's no sense of getting the pro account at all because they give most of the information that you're looking for concerning questions surrounding keywords for free. So there's no need to buy a pro account. So let's bring up a couple. Here is Answer the Public. You type in a keyword, then you click search, and then you go down and it's in a wheel form. What is internet marketing, or why internet marketing is important, and so forth. And it's funky, but if you're willing to stretch your neck, it's free. you know? So, Ubersuggest, like I said, it has limitations. It gives you important volume, cost per click. PD is paid difficulty, and ST is SEO difficulty. And it gives you data, but then it blocks anything after 20 or 30 keywords. That's the problem with this particular keyword software program. Let me go to KW Finder. I've used this in the past and I've been happy. It also has a limitation on how much the free account will give you. You see, then it starts blocking it. But you probably get away between this and Uber. I'd probably go with KW Finder. It's going to give you keyword difficulty rating, which is important, PPC rating, cost per click, actual cost, and it's going to give you total search volume per month. Then it gives you a little trend analysis. I like that. So this is a good program. Now, Ahrefs, this is Semrush. This is Ahrefs. You could type it in. Let me go back to that. and it'll give you limitations for the free. But you're gonna get 10 keywords with all the volume. I mean, this is not the total package you would get for $99 a month, but it's decent for the free trial, which is $7 for 7 days for the full trial. And so this is not bad for just being free. And again, like I said, I'm a Semrush guy. I mean, this has the biggest database in the world. It's the most thorough, and it's truly best, but it's the most expensive. It's basically $99.95 per month. You get 7 days for free, and or they have another limitation, or 10 downloads, or something like that, whichever comes first. And if you have the money, go with Semrush. If you need something thorough that's free, go with KW Finder. And if you're looking for total free and you're just looking for questions that people ask, then go with Answer the Public. That's pretty much it for keyword software programs. Hope you enjoyed the training lesson. Thank you for your time.